love to have a fridge. One that works, I mean. No can do, amigo. There's some kind of crust around the door that makes it impossible to open. No. That makes no sense. No way. The extendable duct is for serious business only. Nah. There just isn't enough room for all that trash. Oh, I'm not gonna get any closer. What if something attacks me? Mortimer! Ah, screw him. That's from our last Halloween party. I don't think dressing up in green and going on a quest to find the Triforce is going to be of any help. At least not for the moment. Just a box full of junk. There's nothing useful in there. Nah, I don't need that right now. No way. The extendable duct is for serious business only. Ooh, the fire escape, huh? Yeah, good idea. I like that metallic noise they make. Makes me feel safe. What the hell was that? Was that the fire escape? Maybe we should think this through. Although, I bet it's not as frightening as old Marconi's hairy vein. Or maybe it is. Judging by that noise, I'd say there's some scary-ass creature in that alley. Whoa, whoa, seriously? I'm relatively too young to die. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna die here. But at least I will look death in the eye and say, I'm not afraid of you. Wow, all this over a stupid, filthy cat. Well, that's embarrassing. Luckily, no one saw me, except for the cat and Mrs. Grozer, of course. Man, that cat sounds just like Matt when he retches. Wonder if it too drank a case and a half of beer. Meow? Huh, looks like Mrs. Grozer finds my adventure really thrilling. She's not even blinking. Hello, Mrs. Grozer, how's it going? And how's Mr. Grozer doing? Is his hip any better? I'm truly sorry about the roller skate incident. I should have known that pushing him down the stairs was not a good idea. I normally tell people it was Mortimer. Mrs. Grozer, may I come in? I need to get down to the street, but I can't get through my door. Can you hear me? God damn it, are you deaf or stuffed? I'll just have to go face the stupid cat. I'm afraid to touch her. What if she turns out to be a ghost? That's Mrs. Grozer's plant. Looks nice. I don't talk to plants. I'm not that bohemian. A stupid flower pot? You want me to take that as well? Why? I need to release the ladder, but I can't reach that damn hook. No. I can't reach it. Phew, perfect. I got rid of that stinking cat and now the coast is clear. Things are looking up.
You're cursed.
Huh?
You're cursed.
What now?
Cursed.
Cursed? So that wasn't my imagination after all.
You're cursed.
Aw, man. Was that you in my ear all night? I had a hell of a night because of you. Worst night since I ate that 3-year-old jar of mayonnaise. Wait till I get down there.
You're cursed.
That does it. No one curses Randal. Bye-bye, Mrs. Grozer. Say hi to Mr. Grozer.
You're cursed.
Shit, what are the odds? Whew, that was close. I feel like I'm gonna puke my heart out. Whew, this must be what freedom tastes like.
You're cursed.
Easy, easy. I haven't forgotten about you. Let me just check and make sure everything is where it should be. Then I'll decide whether to face you or get the hell out of here. Just after I throw a rock at your face or something. I'd cry, but I'm not a vegan. I don't talk to plants. I'm not that bohemian. Why on earth would I pick up a broken flower pot from the floor? Just leave it there. Hell, you could always find something useful in the trash. You want me to talk to that? It's a tube of glue, but the cap is stuck on. I can't open it with my mouth. No way. The extendable duck is for serious business only. It's too dry. I can't do anything with this wire. Sometimes I find useful stuff in there, but normally there's just trash. I don't think I'm gonna find anything useful in there. I'm done rummaging through my neighbor's waste for today. I can't use it anymore, and even if I could, I wouldn't. I almost died up there. You want me to talk to that? What do you think, I'm gonna fix it or something? Huh. You want me to talk to that? What do you think, I'm gonna fix it or something? Huh. A stinking dumpster? There is no way I'm gonna touch anything in there. I don't think there's anything useful in there. I don't think I'm gonna find anything useful in there. Hey, it's a little chihuahua. His name is on the collar. I think it's Barkley. Come here, boy. Come on. Come to Daddy. He's not paying me any attention. I better leave him alone. I know he's small, but they're more dangerous than bears. Such a stereotypical bum. Smelly, dirty, and drinking from a brown paper bag.
You know I can hear you, right?
So, you're a bum, huh?
And who are you?
What? You don't even know I'm the victim of your nighttime screaming?
I think you're mistaken. The cat went that way.
You're the one I'm looking for, bum. Your days of cursing people are over.
Wrong again. I am no bum.
Of course you are. And with an obvious drinking problem, I'd say.
Boy, you couldn't be more wrong. I'm a businessman, and I only drink energy drinks.
Oh, well, excuse me, Gordon Gecko. I didn't know this was your office. Be careful when you get out onto the street. You don't want that nice suit getting dirty.
Aw, low blow, kid. Running a business is no walk in the park, you know. If you want to be someone in life, you gotta start at the bottom.
Yeah, well, you got the edge there, 'cause this is rock bottom.
Besides, everybody knows drunk people always tell the truth. So if you say I'm a drunk bum that says he's not a bum, but really he is, wouldn't that be paradoxical, Mr. Smiley Pants?
Well, let's see. You dress like a bum, you smell like a bum, and nothing you say makes any sense.
Okay, maybe I'm a business bum. Are you interested in a retching cat?
Oh, boy. Poor old man. The alcohol's pickled your brain.
Listen, your problem is that you haven't been with a girl in a long time, if ever. Am I right?
Listen, bum, I've got 2 words for you. Shut the fuck up.
They say a little knowledge is a dangerous thing, but what of the man who possesses too much knowledge?
Well, he won't end up living in an alley, that's for sure. So where did you learn that saying anyway? On a TV show or something?
No.
You mean yes?
No.
Oh, really? 'Cause I think I heard that one on the Scary Door last week.
I said no. Us bums don't watch sci-fi shows.
Aha! You just gave yourself away, old man.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, whatever. Take care, old man, and stay out of trouble. You don't want to end up getting grounded.
We'll meet again.
Can't wait.
You're cursed!
Well, you can't deny it now. You just said it. I heard you.
Said what?
Why are you torturing me like this? I didn't do anything.
Not yet, but you will.
Oh, God, I know you're kind. I have my own problems too, you know. My boss and my landlord are boneheads, and they're both pissed at me. And if I don't deal with them soon, I might end up living down here with you.
If knowledge is power, and power corrupts, how will humankind ever survive?
Oh my God, those lame sayings again, really? Aren't you supposed to pay a copyright on them or something?
Not me.
Okay, great. So in summary, you're a bum and I'm cursed.
Yes.
Aha! Didn't you say you knew nothing about it?
That was just an opinion. I think you're cursed, and I can help you.
Are we talking about an exorcism here? 'Cause I could definitely be interested if we are.
It's not that kind of curse. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm a business bum. So if you want more info, just call my office. Here's my card.
This is a rusty old razor blade, and there's no phone number on it. I think I've had enough of that guy's secondhand philosophy for today. I don't think he needs a hug. Such a stereotypical bum, smelly, dirty, and drinking from a brown paper bag.
You know I can hear you, right?